Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit. And if you're a CCTV security and data technician out there and you're looking for a position that's based on the northern end of the Gold Coast, then keep watching this video. This opportunity could be for you. So we picked up a position with a company that are based on the northern end of the Gold Coast, and they're looking to take on a new technician in their business. And this particular company, they do security systems, alarm systems, telecommunications, and they've also got a branch in their business where they also do a lot more networking and IT-based work as well. For this role, you will need to have your Type 2 security license, your security installer's license. You will also need a white card and an open cabling license as well. This is a permanent full-time role that we have. It's an expanding company, so it's quite a small business that's based on the Gold Coast. They're proving to be extremely busy at the moment, so they're now at the point where they are looking to put on a new tech as part of their team. If you have experience in these areas, or you know somebody who does have experience in these areas that may currently be looking for an opportunity out there, then certainly please feel free to share this video. We will have a link in the description below on a bit more about the job itself and how to apply, so also please feel free to share that with them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification button, and as future opportunities come through our agency, you can then certainly get notified as soon as they come through. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.